Hello all, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to discuss SQL data types. Now what are SQL data types is basically the type of data that a particular column can take in, and SQL data types are usually declared at the time of creation of a certain table with a column. Now these columns can have either of these data types, which are broadly categorized into numeric, datetime and string, and the style of declaring them would be the data type name like big int followed by bracket with the maximum limit to ensure the data doesn't overflow or doesn't end up taking a lot of space for smaller values. So within numeric, we will again discuss three different data types categories like integer and big integer for whole numbers, decimal, numeric, and float for numbers with decimal values, and boolean. So integer and big integer can take large values which are only integers or whole numbers, and when you declare the maximum number limit in the bracket, it will limit to that. Big int can essentially take almost minus to plus infinity, but integer has a limitation of minus to plus 2 billion approximately. Then comes decimal data types. Each of these can take almost minus to plus infinity. You're free to use either of them. The format to declare this one would be like, for example, decimal. You say decimal, open bracket, total number of characters that can be taken, comma, the numbers that can be taken after decimal, close bracket. Similarly, same can be used for numeric and float. Then comes Boolean. Boolean is nothing but a binary true or false. In some databases, the value is taken as true or false, yes or no. In SQLite, it is taken as 0 and 1, where 0 stands for false or no, and 1 stands for true or yes. Then comes date time functions, wherein you can see date time and timestamp are quite similar. Only thing is timestamp dates range is quite limited, so we would prefer date time, wherein it can take almost any date with a timestamp in hour, minute, second format. Then we have date function which takes only dates, again almost all the range. Finally comes the string functions, wherein we use varchar, text, etc. Here it can take up to maximum of 65,000 characters if not limited to anything. Otherwise you just declare text, open bracket, number of maximum characters that can be taken in. Similar for varchar. More we will see in the upcoming videos. That's it for now. Thank you.